friends, this is Silver Bells in the key of G. This is a really fun way to chord along to this Christmas carol. I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure if you stop the video, you will find that in the description the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense as you print it out and follow along. All right, so in this song, we have 4 chords. We have just G, C, D, and A minor. Kept it really simple. So look for this group of 3 black notes starting out. You're going to put thumb on G, which is kind of tucked in between those 3 black notes. And you're going to play every other note. 1, 3, 5 on that G major chord, okay? G, B, D, okay? If you move up kind of one set of notes, let's see here. Yeah, move up one set of notes and you're going to play the A minor position, A, C, E, okay? Then we have our C chord. So come down here to this group of 2 black notes. The C is to the left of them. Play every other note, and you have C, E, G. Okay, and then our last and final chord is our D chord. So just move up one set of notes and pick up this black note in the middle, and you have a triangle shape. If you can think of it like white, black, white, makes this triangle shape. D, F sharp, A. Okay? All right, so that's what our right hand is going to be doing. Our left hand is going to be just playing single notes. We're going to put thumb on G, line up these 5 fingers, and keep this hand here the whole song. So we're going to play G when we play G chord over here. Okay? C to C. D triangle to D single note. And then when that A minor is played, you're just going to open up this thumb, 1 note, and then play the A minor with it. And this thumb doesn't, the whole hand doesn't need to go out of place. Just go ahead and open up that thumb 1 note, okay? All right, so I'm going to break down the rhythm after I go through playing the vocals and the rhythm together, and then we'll go back into the tutorial. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile, and on every street corner you'll hear. Okay, so what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together is a simple rhythm I call 1-to-3 ratio, and that works really wonderful with songs that are written in 3/4 time signature. So you just go together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, and so on. It's just a good foundation to play the song. So let's work on it together, going through the chords. And if you just need to do right hand only, that's okay. And then left hand only, and then bring those 2 hands together. All right, here we go. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in C, holiday, A minor, style. Okay, notice how this thumb opened up 1 note, right? Style. Here's that D triangle. Air, there's a feeling of G. Christmas, back to the D. Okay, notice how these first 3 lines that we just got done doing are going to repeat in the next lines, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, G starts us out. Children laughing, people passing, meeting, C, smile after, A minor, open that thumb up here, smile, and on D, every street corner you'll G here. Okay, let's work into the Silver Bells section here. It's every other line repeating. So G, C, D, G, D, G, C, D, and G, okay? All right, here we go. Silver bells, silver C, bells, D, triangle. It's Christmas time in the G city. Okay, repeat those chords again. Ring-a-ling, C, C. Hear them ring, D. Soon it will be Christmas, G. Day. Okay, that next set of words is going to be the exact same chords as the very first section I taught you, where the first 3 lines repeat 4, 5, and 6, right? Okay, so take it through section at a time. Really, you only have 2 sections. You have that city sidewalks, busy sidewalks, and then you learn the silver bells section, and then that whole, those whole 2 sections just repeat for the next 2. Okay, so I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can play along with me. You can slow down the playback speed as well in the settings if it's a little too fast. If you mess up, just find your next chord and keep going. Here you go. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you'll hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Strings of street lights, even stoplights, blink a right, red and green, as the shoppers run home with their treasures. Hear the snow crunch, see the kids bunch. This is Santa's big scene, and above all the bustle you'll hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day.